In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Black Flash in Cars Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly time your Black Flash in Cars Battlegrounds. Cars Battlegrounds, much like all the other Battlegrounds and different fighting style experiences, has a Black Flash available. You will be able to learn the timing so you can do it reliably. In here, your character will kick the opponent with the right leg, and by pressing the black flash in a very specific way, you will be able to use it twice to actually do it properly. So the best way to do this is going to be by looking at your character's right leg. You just have to press the black flash as soon as your character leans down and puts his leg forth. If you press the black flash again as your character extends their leg, you will be able to see the black flash animation go off and you will have done it properly. So the timing is going to be based on the leg. I recommend that you go into a dummy and you practice by looking at your character physically, and then after you get comfortable with the timing, you will be able to do it without looking. In this game, I recommend taking a while with the black flash. Do not do it quickly. You have to wait a while so it can feel weird, but after a little bit, after your character leans down, just go ahead and press it again. Like I said, it can take a while, so just be patient and don't rush. Don't press it right away, and as long as you wait until your character is in the right position, you will be able to see the black flash animation go off just like this. So once again, if you need to practice, I recommend joining a private server and watching your character as they lean down. They will put their leg forward, and that's when you press a black flash. It takes longer than other black flashes, so this is why you don't want to rush. Just be calm and try pressing it again. After you get comfortable, you will be able to do it without looking at your character model. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Black Flash in Cars Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.